What's going on, fellas? I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today. Now, during the previous few months, we've witnessed wild swings in the cryptocurrency market. And, following months of consolidation, it appears as though the XRP price is finally set to move higher. Ripple bulls are reviving their campaign, and we could see a price climb to a new all-time high of $4 by the end of 2021. On the weekly charts, we have begun to observe a hugely bullish pattern. We are currently trading at $1.19, and the market has gained 1.56% in the last 24 hours. If we can break above the $1.95 barrier, we will open up new possibilities for Ripple XRP. While the current level is likely to consolidate, we are warming up and preparing for the next ride. With that said, let's skip the intro and go straight to the meat of today's film. As always, welcome back to Crypto Aussie, your preferred source for cryptocurrency news. If you're new here, we'd like to welcome you to the XRP family. Please click the subscribe button and enable notifications to ensure that you do not miss any of our daily crypto news updates. To begin today's video, we have the following tweet from @John E. Deaton. Coinbase applied to the SEC in January 2019 to list XRP. Additionally, the SEC approved Ripple's acquisition of a 9% share in MoneyGram, knowing Ripple would pay MG in XRP. MG sent the XRP to Coinbase, which then transferred it to the retail holder. The SEC now contends that XRP held by individual investors is an unlawful security. If this case is solely about Ripple and its two executives, why didn't the SEC allege that when Ripple or its executives sell XRP, it is an investment contract with Ripple between 2013 and 2018? Why pursue secondary market transactions with retail holders? To be quite candid, I have no idea how the SEC approved the MoneyGram purchase knowing that MoneyGram will use XRP and then sue Ripple. Didn't the SEC state that they conducted a 2-year investigation prior to filing the lawsuit? Well, I suppose the SEC will have an opportunity to explain itself when tens of thousands of ordinary investors file a lawsuit seeking damages. What am I to say? We certainly have a wonderful mess here in the United States of America. Guys, XRP is on the verge of exploding. Prepare to earn millions, if not billions, of dollars over the next few months. XRP is creating waves and is poised to take the next step. This is for my XRP family and the Crypto Australian gang. We are on the verge of making a fortune. That means XRP is on a collision course with the moon. I believe it is past time for XRP to make a huge leap to the top. Are you not of the opinion that this is the case? This coin has seen it everything, but it appears as though no one can take it down. That is correct. XRP is one of the most tenacious coins in the entire cryptocurrency ecosystem. Indeed, no other coin has faced the difficulties that XRP has. From the start, this coin has operated within legal boundaries and collaborated with the authorities. However, why is this the first coin to face a regulatory authority lawsuit? Are they concerned about the coin's future? If that is the truth, then even the world's biggest nations have recognized that this coin signifies greatness. And with that in mind, even if they attempt to repress XRP, like they are now doing, the coin will still emerge from the ashes against all odds. Whales, I believe, are utilizing this litigation to acquire as many XRPs as possible. That is because we can all see that once the lawsuit is concluded, this coin will fly directly to the moon. And here's the most interesting part. If you're waiting for the case to be resolved before this coin goes to the moon, you'll be shocked if it starts going to the moon while the litigation is still pending. Jack also tweeted, "The hashtag XRP ecosystem is growing daily, and you cannot stop the train." The price will represent the Ripple team's years of effort to dominate the financial industry. XRP is a self-contained ecosystem that will operate independently of Ripple. I am not alone in believing that XRP is unstoppable at the moment. With time, all of the difficulties that XRP has encountered will pay off, and I believe that all of these tests will strengthen Ripple more than ever. More importantly, the price will soon reflect the work made by Ripple's team to ensure the long-term viability of XRP. Having stated that, patience is all that is required. My long-term traders, I'm sure, understand that patience is a virtue, especially in the Bitcoin realm. XRP's price took a significant knock as a result of the litigation, yet 1 year later, this coin has defied all odds. To be honest, no one anticipated that XRP would make it this far. And now there are thousands of doubters worldwide, which is the primary objective of the lawsuit. However, this coin will overcome all hurdles and establish itself as the one true coin. That concludes today's video. As previously stated, we must brace ourselves for this ride, as we will see a new all-time high by the end of the year. XRP has lagged behind other cryptocurrencies due to the SEC case, but the time has come. What are you waiting for, then? Stock up on your favorite coins and board the ship before to our departure. That being stated, let's first have a look at the charts to get a better idea of XRP. Using a rudimentary skiff pitchfork in conjunction with moving averages, it appears to be fairly safe to predict that XRP will continue to increase. Bear in mind that, other from Litecoin, it is the only cryptocurrency that has not broken all-time highs and has remained in the top 15. As long as XRP is able to retest and breach the existing barriers, the potential for exponential development remains. I am cautiously optimistic for a $5 XRP token within the next few months, as much depends on the outcome of the present SEC case. Almost everything in the current cryptosphere has soared by thousands of %, and with XRP still holding a commanding 7th position despite facing a lawsuit and failing to shatter all-time highs, all it takes is one catalyst to send it surging. As we can see on my chart, Bitcoin is forming this massive ascending channel formation from the previous all-time high. Bitcoin has since pulled back significantly, increasing bearishness and testing the lower boundary of this major channel formation, where Bitcoin has now bounced and moved into the remaining resistance marked in black within the $66,060 level, where Bitcoin still faces significant resistance. At the moment, the bearish scenario has a slightly higher probability of occurring when Bitcoin pulls back and continues bearishly to break below the lower boundary. When this first confirmational move occurs, the bearish possibility increases to 65%, and there is a higher probability of Bitcoin continuing bearishly in this case. The adverse scenario would be for Bitcoin to break over the upper resistance level of $66,060 and establish a base on it in order to continue with bullish determinations to the upside. Taking all perspectives into account, it is critical to wait for adequate confirmations before committing to a definite direction, since both options are subject to change, albeit the bearish one is more likely. Please bear in mind that we are not a registered investment advisor. This channel's videos are solely for enjoyment purposes. Leave your thoughts in the comment space below and let's have a discussion. We appreciate your time and interest. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Enable alerts to be notified whenever we publish new amazing stuff. We'll catch up with you in the following video.